So here we change our garden beds, the wood, because they are rotten. This is the old one. It's cedar. It takes 3 years to get rotten. And this is cedar again. Cedar lasts a long time. And this is treated pine wood. This 2 by 4 post. And then this is cedar again. So as you can see, that is all new. And we go here, it's the same. Then you have to, this 2 by 4, you have to make it sharp, the pointed sharp like this. The one that goes to the ground. And then you just use this mallet like this, just like that. That's how we do with this one. That's what we do with this. So I use 2 inches screw. Here we're done fixing the bed, the garden bed. And this one here, I have long beans. It didn't sprout yet. It's long bean seeds. This one is eggplant. This is alugbate in the Philippines, but in the US it's kind of spinach. This one is eggplant. Eggplant. These are bell peppers. And here I planted here a seeds of bitter melon. It's in the Philippines. It's called ampalaya. You have to cultivate the soil using the pig mattock. I was using these tools to take out the weeds. So I put the compost. It's an organic. And then I spread it or mix it with this tools. Okay guys, this is tomato, Roma tomato. So we're gonna plant it. Move it like this, take it out. Then put There. Then I use microlife multi-purpose or organic fertilizer. Like that. And then you have to fertilize by the vegetables right here. To show you like that. See? And you have to cover it back. There you go. In a low shower setting. Gardening, what we have here is this was celery that I planted last fall, and this one is rosemary. I have this for about 4 years now. They are doing good. Tomato, this is Roma tomato. That is tomato again. All of this is tomato. There is Roma, early girl, large red cherry, and the same. And this one is sweet banana pepper. These are onions. And that's it for today. Hope you like my videos, and please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. We got better melon, a big one, and this one. This one, wow, so huge. Wow. It's massive. And this is my alugbati. In Tagalog, in Bisaya, alugbati. And guys, this is my lofa. There you go. That one is still a baby. My eggplant. There you go. My sweet potato. My ampalaya was right here. I just harvested it. Here's my banana plantains right there. These are my eggplants. Satsuma orange. Yan aking ampalaya. See? Yan. Yan yung aking batong or long beans. Yan. This is my okra. The seeds is from the Philippines. It has no grooves. It's a smooth kind, as you see. Ito yung saluyot. Hello, saluyot. Ito yung seeds. These are the seeds from the jute leaves. I don't plant them every year. They just grow by itself from the seeds that fell off to the ground. These are the okra seeds. And that is my oranges. It's very heavy, so it kind of bow down to the ground. This is my banana plantains. See this one. I'm waiting for it to mature and eat. Lemon. This is a different kind of plantain bananas. These are small kinds. Okay, this is my garden, guys. And that is malunggay. They call it moringa plant. Bitter melon. And Asian long beans. And we call this alugbate in the Philippines. It's like a spinach. And eggplant. Guys, we're harvesting in my garden. These are long beans. See, like this. Long beans, Asian long beans.
Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.